Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code by Vanshin. Today we are going to solve the question combination sum. So let's begin. In this question we have actually given an array of distinct integers candidate and a target integer target. Return a list of all unique combinations of candidates where the chosen number sum to target. You may return the combination in any order. The same number may be chosen from candidate an unlimited number of times. Okay, so this is the thing. Two combinations are unique if frequency of at least one of the chosen character is different. The test cases are generated. Okay. So in this question actually we have given. So let's discuss the test case. Okay. So here it is given I have an array like 2, 3, 6 and 7. This is the array which I have, and I have the target which is actually equal to 7, and I have to choose in such a way, like if I take it like brutally. Okay, like I will put 2 loops and I will do it. How I'm going to find it? If the sum is actually equal to 7. So how? One, I find that it is equal to 7. So I will just return it. Next, how I'm going to return it? Like 2, I will take 2. I will take 2 multiply 2 plus 3, which is actually going to become 7. Because 2 multiply 2 is actually 4 and plus 3 is 7. So this is the one choice. Now I have to make another choice. Will 3 will be adjusted with 6? 3 plus 6 is actually 9. So it will be greater. So how I am going to take it? I am not actually going to take it. 7, it is actually 7. For 6, 6 plus 1 is actually 7. But in the array, as I can see, there is no 1. So this is not also possible. So actually this is 3. So how I am going to merge it with 2 such that I can get 7. So it will be 2, 2 and 3 and 7. So this is actually a really brute force on how I am going to solve this question. But how I am actually going to solve this question? So now let's discuss to that part. Because in this question we are actually using recursion. Okay. Now let's move to the recursion part. 2, 3, 6 and 7. So in this question we have given that you can choose number from unlimited number of times. Okay. So I can choose 2 any number of times. I can choose 3 any number of times, 6 any number of times, and so on. Okay, so if I can choose 2 any number of time, what I will do, as I mentioned in my previous recursion videos, what I will do, first I will take 2, and in second option I will not take 2. If I don't take 2, what I am going to do, I am just going to move forward. I will move to 3. Okay, if this is my I, and I will not take it, I will not take 2. So what I am going to do, I am just going for 2 plus 3, I plus 1. But if I take 2, okay, but if I take 2, and this is actually target, so target will be equal to 7 only, right? Target will be equal to 7 because I am not taking 2. So how target is actually changing? It will be 7 only. But here the twist comes. When I take it, like when I take 2 in my bag, so what I am going to do, I am actually at an index which is actually 0. I am standing at 0. I am taking position at array at 0, and I am just taking it. I am just not moving anywhere. I am just taking it. So this is the first case. I am taking it. It is 2. So my target will become 7 minus 2. Okay, and I will just like this. Now after I take this operation, I have two options. Either I will take this one, or not take it. Okay, so this is the thing, that I will take it or I will not take it. So in this type of question, as you can see here, when I take it and I will not take it. If I don't take it, I will just increase the index and I will return it. But if I take it, what I am actually going to do, my I is actually going to remain the same, but my target is actually going to remain target minus array of I. It will become this. So these are the two things I have to keep in mind if I take it actually. Okay. So these are the actually two things. Now if I take it, this means my sum will actually become minus. I will just subtract it minus. Okay. I will subtract it. I will perform the function, and when I have to backtrack it, as you all know, that for backtracking I have to add it. Okay, to reverse the changes I have made in the past. In the past I have deleted it, I have subtracted it, and in the future, in the present, I have to add it. Okay, so these are the three steps, and add and then I will perform not picking option. Okay, so these are the two things that I have to keep in mind. So now let's move to the this is actually a recursive tree. If I take it, I will be at 0 as I told you, and it will be 5, and my stack will actually contain 2. Not stack, it's just a data structure actually. Sorry for that. So I will do this, then I will move further, and at any position, if my target minus array is actually less than 0, this means my array at index I is actually greater than target. I will just terminate it, I will not calculate it. Okay, I will not calculate it, because my answer will contain, because my target is always going to be greater than array. Okay, and if it's not the case, then it is actually not taking place. Okay, so this is actually the pseudocode. As I have told you, I have just tell you everything. This is the thing, and let's move to the coding part now. Okay, and at the coding part, actually this is actually the same thing that I just told you. Okay, this is the same thing. This is the picking part, and this is actually the not picking part. So these are the two things, and my function is like this. So, and always my target has to be greater than. Okay, always my target has to be greater than. Then only I am just going to perform the taking option. If I am not taking it, it will not matter. It will not matter, because I am not taking it. How it will going to matter? Okay, if I have x here and I am taking 6, so if I am picking it, it will be x plus 6. If I am not picking it, it will remain same. Okay, it will not do anything. So that's why it will be outside the loop, because it will not just affect our code. Okay, so here backtracking is also done. I am pushing it, I am just backtracking, and this is the thing. I hope you like the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.